namin dito sa Dumangas because of our geographical location dahil nasa dulo kami ng river basin. And kung sobra ang tubig, nasa dulo pa kami ng by the way, ng isang 1954-year-old na run of the river type na irrigation system. Yung kanal nila ng irrigation system hindi nakakonect sa dagat. So kung sobra ang tubig, we experience flooding, pero kung wala namang tubig, we experience drought. So we experiencing both extreme. Yun ho ang yung problema. Not also to mention na because of yung cropping na hindi sabay-sabay, pagtatanim na hindi sabay-sabay, yung mga peste po hindi nahihinto. Tuloy-tuloy yung ng peste kasi hindi synchronized yung cropping. Na-improve lalo yung production ng aming mga farmers. We are teaching farmers on how to interpret climate and weather information as a decision-making tool sa kanilang production. And like to inform you that Dumangas is the top rice producer ngayon, because of this na effort ng Climate Field School.
Our Climate Field School is one of the good practice of our municipality. As of to date, we have already produced 633 farmer graduates of the Climate Field School. The CFS is conducted once a week for 16 weeks. And that's the duration of the entire class of the Climate Field School. The UPLB Saray introduced in our municipality a couple of months ago, and today we are having our orientation workshop on the Climate Field School with the help of UPLB Saray, and we hope to have a good partnership for the development of our Climate Field School, and also for us to have a more improved extension approaches to our farmers, and also to develop a very good module for the climate related problems of our farmers, to solve the problem on climate change, and of course to improve productivity towards food security.
This agreement station was established in 2002 with a collaboration project with the ADPC, Pag-asa, LGU, and the provincial government of Iloilo. So, yung mga data na ginagather dito is very useful para sa ating mga magsasaka kasi mas kailangan ng mga magsasaka malalaman yung kadami ng mga ulan or the rainfall, then yung taas ng temperatura from the lowest to the highest, at saka yung mga relative humidity and other parameters na mas kailangan ng ating mga magsasaka. This information or these parameters will be very useful in the decision making of our farmers, especially kung sa kanila yung mga sa kanilang mga land preparation or on the cropping pattern. So I think Saray would help the municipality of Dumangas in enhance ng module ng Climate Field School for Fisheries and Climate Field School for farmers. At the same time, sigurado gid ako na yung Saray magtutulong sa Dumangas para mas kilala o maging successful itong Climate Field School for Dumangas. field school in the Philippines and second in Asia, next to Indramayo, Indonesia.